Hi friends, today I am going to prepare the Mangalorean style jackfruit curry. To prepare the jackfruit curry, first I have prepped the jackfruit by applying little oil to the hands, splitting the flesh, removing the cover from the seeds and cutting the rags. I have cleaned the prepped jackfruit twice in water, transferred to a vessel and added water to cover up to 3/4 of the jackfruit. To this I have added quarter teaspoon of mustard seed, 2 teaspoon of salt, covered with a plate and let it cook. For the masala, I am grinding 1 cup of grated coconut, 8 dry roasted red chili which can be adjusted based on spice, quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder, 1 1/2 tablespoon of dry roasted coriander seeds, quarter tablespoon of dry roasted jeera seeds, 4 to 5 garlic pods, 1 onion, little water and preparing a fine paste. Now that the jackfruit is cooked, I am adding the masala, quarter glass of water, mixing it well and letting it boil. You can add water based on the consistency needed. The masala is cooked now. The tasty Mangalorean style jackfruit curry is ready. If you like the recipe, do click on the like button, share the video and subscribe to the New Home Kitchen. Bye.